Hi, it's Ashley and welcome to my channel. So for this video, I'm gonna show you what's inside my bag. So before we get started with anything, since this is a school-related video, I just want to tell you guys more about my educational background. So I am now in third year college. I am taking BSBA, which stands for Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, and I am majoring in Financial Management. Since I'm a college student, I don't bring a lot of stuff to school, like hindi kagaya ng high school na 12 notebooks, 12 books, and everything, cute pencil cases, cute pens. In reality, halos wala talagang laman tong bag ko. It's a lot of boring stuff, but still, I wanted to make this video. So, without further ado and further rambling, let's just get on the video. This is my bag. This is in the brand Anello, and I think this is a Japanese brand, and I know this is popular na here in the Philippines, so I'm sure you are seeing this bag anywhere. So this bag has two compartments, which is the bigger compartment and the front compartment, and it has two pockets on the sides. So I haven't fixed anything from this bag, so what you see is what you get. So let's get started with the front compartment. In here, we have, my gosh, hindi ko pa ito inayos, kinakabahan tuloy ako. So the first thing here is a mirror. I am a vain person, I am a narcissistic person, so a mirror is a necessity for me. Next thing here is my school ID, which I'm not gonna show you. Hindi po ako mabubuhay ng walang sanitizer or alcohol. It's because laging madumi yung hinahawakan natin, tapos biglang hahawakan natin yung face natin, tapos, you know, medyo conscious lang ako sa ganung bagay, and kaya lagi ako may dala na sanitizer. The next is, I don't know what this is, but I think this is from my wallet, which I forgot downstairs at tinatamad akong kunin, pero yon for sure. Dala-dala ko yung wallet ko. The USB, which is not mine. Tapos ballpen, which is also not mine. Do not judge me. Nakalimutan ko lang yung pencil case ko nung isang araw, so humiram ako ng ballpen. Hindi po ako responsableng estudyante na laging humihiram ng ballpen. Go to the boring stuff, which is the bigger compartment. This one, expect a lot of photocopies and a lot of paperwork and everything that is related to academics. Next, first one is this photocopy from our law. Law is life. I love law. So the next thing here is this envelope. This is where I put all my quizzes, papers, all the paperwork and everything. And dito lahat, I am not that organized of a person when it comes to my things. So, pasensya na. Next is a book. Basic Quantitative Methods for Business. Business Math. Next one is the current book that I am reading. This book is called Awe. So it says why it matters for everything we think, say, and do. This book made me realize a lot of things, like God purposely made awesome things so that we can be amazed, but sometimes we abuse it, we became self-centered, we forgot to thank Him for making these awesome things. This book is by Paul David Tripp, so I recommend this book. This book taught me a lot of lessons. I'm still on the third chapter. I haven't finished it yet, but so far so good. Next is my notebook. This is my notebook. Actually, this is not a school notebook. I found this on the journal section on National Bookstore, but I think it is so cute. This is my only notebook for this semester because I know, natuto na ako, hindi ko magagamit yung maraming notebooks, so isa na lang yung binili ko. The binders on this one is separate. Hindi siya kasama dyan. I just take it there. I bought it from Mart 1. Try guys. Next one is this perfume from Victoria's Secret. Hindi ako lagi nagdadala ng perfume, but this time, promise to myself that I will always bring one kasi minsan humihingi ako, So the next thing here is my makeup bag. Some of you may have seen it on my What's in My Bag 2016, but it's now on private, so you cannot see it. But ito pa rin yan guys, sa mga nakakita. So inside is my everyday makeup. Oh, if you want to know my everyday makeup routine, shameless plug, it will be linked right here. Inside, we have my Essence Mattifying Powder, KJM Lip Tint, Johnson's Baby Powder, BB Cream from iWhite, Nichido Eyebrow Pencil. Okay, we're down to the last, which is my pencil case. No, meron pa palang dalawa. Pencil case and calculator. I am a financial management major, so this is a necessity. And this pencil case is from PCBS, so it says Trust in the Lord. Inside, we have my ball pen and my highlighter. I am so proud of myself kasi midterms na pero hindi ko pa rin nawawala tong kaisa-isa kong ball pen. Napaka-responsable, diba? Grabe. Then, you have my comb and wala na guys. May 2 piso. My sanitary whatsoever. You know what it is, girls. Then, let's go to the pockets. You have nothing on this pocket. You have my water bottle. Yeah, and you have my water bottle on this pocket. That is it for my what's in bag. So that is it for my what's in my bag video. I hope you still guys enjoyed it, even if I know that it's not that interesting. But still, I hope you liked it. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Because guys, I have a lot of planned videos for you. So to get notified, be subscribed to my channel. It would be really, really great. I will see you guys on the next videos. Bye! 데리러 갈게 널 어디에 있든지 늦은 건 아닌 걸까 달려갈게 데리러 갈게 널